the end of the day, we'll be getting ready with our food boxes. We are distributing 3,200 food boxes Monday and Tuesday this coming week for our Christmas food box.
This time of year is really a special one where we're able to bring people together, not only make sure that families can celebrate the holidays, but also bringing the community together. We have 400 or 500 volunteers here today just to help us pack the 3,200 food boxes that we're going to be distributing next week. But we do so in a way that's really about having everyone come together, having some fun in that process, and making sure we're packing these things with care that means so much to families during this time of year.
At Sacred Heart, we like to say that this is where social justice meets social service. So we provide services for families that are, failing or facing difficult times. For example, the housing crisis, deportations, natural disasters that happened earlier this year. But we also want to get at the root cause of the problems and get involved at the local level politically to change certain laws that are affecting our community that comes in through these doors. So what makes us unique is that we want to help people bring joy in these holidays, but we also want to make sure that beyond the holidays, they're able to survive and thrive here in San Jose.
So as you guys know, our goal was to build 3,200 food boxes. We built 3,334 food boxes.